Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Everyone. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim 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 Chamundaye Viche. Hrim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Viche. Om Hrim Klim चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं 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 चामुण्डायै विच्चे लाउडली चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे जय मां जय मां विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै 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 क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ह्रीं 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 क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे ॐ ऐं ॐ ऐं ह्रीं क्लीं चामुण्डायै विच्चे 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 that energy in your home. Vichche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye 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 Vichche. Om Aim Hrim Klim. Continue. Vichche. Ma Jai Ma. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. Om Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. 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 Om Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. Om Aim Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. For 1 minute more, loudly. Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. Om Aim 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 Hrim Klim Chamundaye Vichche. Om Chandikaye Namaha. Om Shri Chandikaye Namaha. Om Shri Chandikaye Namaha. Om Shri Chandikaye Namaha. Om Shri Chandikaye Namaha. Om या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ओम सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यः सति सुंदरी परापराणां परमा तमेव परमेश्वरी। सौम्या सौम्यतरा शेष सौम्येभ्यः सौम्य सुंदरी परापराणां परमा तमेव परमेश्वरी। ओम हरि ओम नमः चंद्रिकाय। ओम नमः चंद्रिकाय। Sit comfortably, keeping your back straight, neck straight. Let us meditate on the Divine Mother. Let us bring her blessings to our life. Let us drink the nectar of the Mother blessing. Calm down your mind, calm down your emotions. Be one with the Mother Divine. Bring all your awareness to this moment. Bring all your awareness to this moment. Be here and now. Observe your whole body from the head to the toes and toes to the head. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows and the eyes. Relax your nostrils, mouth, jaw, and the chin. Relax your neck and neck muscles. Relax your shoulders, arms, and the hands. Relax your chest and belly. Relax your back, hips, thighs, and the knees. Relax feet and the toes. And from the toes to your head, relax your whole body. Now, feel the presence of Mother Divine, Mother Brahmacharini in your heart center. Brahmacharini, a celibate mother, mother in the sannyas form, in the form of a sannyasin, a brahmacharini. She wears the white sari. In one hand, she is having kamandalu, the begging bowl, and other hand, she is blessing us. Her quiet mind, peaceful attitude bring so much peace in our heart. Brahmacharini, Brahma means God, the supreme being, supreme reality. Charini is one who dwells always with Brahman, one always who lives with the Brahman, that Paramatman. She is always with that state of enlightenment. Mother is always in the enlightenment state. Feel her presence in your heart. And she is blessing you from all sides. Keep on meditating. Keep on being with the Mother Divine, with all her blessings. Mother Brahmacharini is now in your forehead. Feel her in your forehead. Feel Mother in your eyebrows. She is protecting your eyebrows. She is protecting your eyes. Mother is protecting your cheeks, protecting your head and the hairs. Mother is protecting your jaw and the chin, your neck, your shoulders. Mother is protecting your elbows and lower arms. Mother is protecting your wrists and the hands, fingers, and tips. Now mother is in your heart center. Take a deep breath for the mother. And exhale. Say, Ma. Call the mother. Oh, mother, please come. Be in my heart. Oh, mother, you are the supreme mother. You are the Ma, Mata. You are Amma. You are the divine goddesses for the whole universe. Mother is protecting your belly, all liver, pancreas, spleens, intestine. Mother is protecting your thighs and the knees, calves, feet and toes. Feel the blessings of mother in each and every limbs of your body. And bring that divine blessings, how mother is protecting you from all sides, my dears. Bring that love for the mother divine. Offer your gratitude and feel like your mother is hugging you, like mother is kissing you, like mother is squeezing you, like mother is holding you in her lap. You are a small baby. Feel. But she is always in the state of enlightenment. She knows who is. She is the supreme reality. Bring that drop of tears with devotion to Mother Divine. Bring that divine heart to keep you more and more with devotion. Join your hands together and feel her presence in your heart. Oh, Mother, her energy is expanding. Her energy is penetrating each cells of your body. How fortunate we are that we are having the meditation of the presence of Mother Divine. कितने सौभाग्यशाली हैं वो लोग जो माँ भगवती के ध्यान करते हुए अपने जीवन को समर्पित कर रहे हैं. How fortunate we are surrendering ourselves to the Mother Divine. हे माँ, कृपा करो माँ, कृपा करो. Oh Mother, bless us, bless us. Drop your ego, surrender, be humble and just surrender to the Mother.
रुद्राक्षमाला देवी प्रसीदतु मयि ब्रह्मचारिणी
O Mother, bless us. You are the source, you are the end, you are the center, you are everything. सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते feel the presence. Namaste everyone. I bow down the divinity inside you. How fortunate we all that we are experiencing the presence of the great Amma, great Mother. The life is called a life if the lives have the beauty, sensitivity, and that comes from the mother. If you go, if you're too hot, and if you're not feeling good, then go to Ganga and take a dip. Just taking a dip in the Ganga, you feel cold, you feel good, you feel better, and all the heat of the body is go away. Just immediately taking a one dip in the Ganga. But it is not all the time available. You are in South Africa, you are in America, you are in London, you are in Africa, and many other places. How can you come to Ganga? But Ganga is gone to your home now with this kind of ceremony. This Ganga is ever flowing, the Ganga of Ashirvad, Ganga of blessings, Ganga of the powers of Mother Divine is flowing all time. When you take a dip into this Ganga, what we are doing, your whole body, your whole mind, your whole being become cool down. The Ganga water is so powerful. In this way, this water of the name of the Mother Divine is so powerful too. This water will take away the heat of the whole life and forever. That's why as much as you can jump into this water, that much you become more cool down. As you intensify your practice, that much benefit you will receive. If only you want to watch what's happening, then we are not going to have the coolness. If you go to Ganga and watch Ganga, some people do not go inside the Ganga because it is too cold. Yes or no? Some people, they do not go inside the water, the Ganga, just because it is too cold. And they are very fear of being cold, being cooled down. Our mind is too hot, our body is too hot, our emotions are too hot. Always ups and downs, ups and downs. And sometimes we are afraid to be peaceful. We see there are many people who are afraid to be peaceful. Totawa, tu asialuwa sini sau ke jaigala mor. Ajar satsang successful eglawa. To asarti. केते जन अछन बा जनमने शांति के भी डरुजन शांति हेवार के डरुजन शांति टिके हेला मत के बहुत डर तार काना गड़बड़ हेला बोली some people are very afraid of being peace. Do you know why many people do not get enlightened? बहुना जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान्मा प्रवर्धन्ते वासुदेव सर्वमिति समात्मा सुदुर्लभ. And in the millions, one person got enlightened, suppose. Why like this? It is because people are afraid of this. When someone leaves the house for the search of the enlightenment, then every house people, parents and grandparents, family members, they get afraid. They don't want their child go away to Rishikesh, to go away to Himalayas. Why they are afraid? Why we are afraid when your child goes away, leave home, leave job, and always trying to meditate? This afraid of being peace, the afraid of being enlightened, afraid of being balanced, is with everyone else. We are afraid of pain. Yes, that's right. We have to be happy. ये दुख से भागो ठीक है, समस्याओं से भागो ठीक है. You go away from the pain, you go away from the difficulties, you go away from the all kinds of disturbances, it's fine. But why we are going away from these enlightenment? Why we are going away from the peace? We say that we want peace, but actually what we are doing is cannot bring peace in our life. ठीक है, कोचिंग नहीं बा बता टिके.
हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया नहीं ठीक है मैंने मन जहाँ पछे करूँ मैंने कुछ भी करूँ लेकिन सन्यास न हो.
कुछ भी करो सन्यास मत हो बस.
कुछ भी करो लेकिन बेटा बेटी सन्यास नहीं होना चाहिए बोल रहे.
Everything may happen with my child, but my child should not become a swami. It should not become a renunciate. That's the parents' wish. So, what makes us afraid to go to surrender? हमको उस परमात्मा के प्रति समर्पण की भावना करने में डर क्यों लगता है? Why we are so afraid? And why it is so difficult also to surrender? Because why? Amma was telling something I heard. Amma thought, she told, ego is the problem that we have difficulties to surrender. Am I right, Amma? Please tell me.
That's exactly right, Vishnu. I said that the ego, when we move from the mind to the heart, the ego doesn't like that.
Yes, yes, you are right. I listened. You spoke in your mind, I listened.
You're right.
Mm. Our ignorance is also one of the biggest reasons, because we have so much trust on our senses. We have so much trust in our mind. We are having a direct experience. We want a direct experience. Like if I eat something, if I eat some toffee, then the toffee gives me immediate response. Immediate response. This sensual pleasure. And I trust my tongue. And when I open my eyes, I see you. I get immediate response that I can see you. That's why I trust to my eyes. When you say something, I immediately hear in my ears, and I have so much trust on my ear. I have so much trust to my skin, touch. I have so much trust to my mind because my mind can think. I have so much trust to my body, but I have no trust on myself. I have no trust on my soul. I have no trust what is not seen by the eyes, not felt by the senses, not thought by the mind. जो मन से, इंद्रियों से, शरीर से अनुभव नहीं होता है, उसके प्रति हमारा ट्रस्ट नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके अनुभव हम नहीं कर पाते. Everything you want to experience with this body, mind and senses, that is a problem. If I show you something, this exists, do you feel the existence of this dhoop? Yes, you see the existence of this dhoop, but from where it comes from, you don't see this. Like the chair, you see the chair. I sit on the chair, in a wooden chair, but it comes from the tree. But inside the tree, the chair is invisible. पेड़ के अंदर chair invisible है, दिखाई नहीं देता. But the chair exists inside the tree. Without the existence of tree, that's not possible. Not possibility of the chair. So today is the day of Brahmacharini. Mother Brahmacharini dwell with that supreme reality which is above the body, senses, and the mind. So the existence of that Brahman, because of the existence of the Brahman, everything seems to be exist, although these do not exist. What you think exists, they do not exist, and what you don't think to be exist, that exist. जो आप बोलते हैं कि ये एग्जिस्ट करता है, ये है नहीं, जो नहीं है सोचते हो, वो एक्चुअली है. We are going in a very opposite direction in our life. हम जिसके पीछे दौड़ते हैं वो है नहीं. To what we are chasing, that do not exist, and from where we go away, that exists. जहां से हम भागते हैं वो है. So actually our journey is just opposite. अगर हम ऐसे भागते रहेंगे, if we go on the wrong side, there will be a problem. We can never receive the enlightenment. So Brahmacharini Mata, she did tapasya, she does tapasya, tapas. She do not care of all difficulties. She does fasting, she does silence, she does celibacy, she conquers her sleep, she controls her emotions, she brings stillness in her life. And that is the path to become enlightened. Brahmacharini Mata, the second day of this Navaratri, says that it is so important to have the tapasya. That's why in the 9 days of fasting, 9 days of this Navaratri, we are doing fasting. Fasting means only fruits, vegetables, this kind of things we are eating to control ourselves. And many people, it's not many people, many cultures, they see the women are not allowed to practice. In many cultures in this world, they think that women are not allowed to practice. They have to do like this always so that nobody can see you. They are not allowed to do anything with the man. Women are treated as not spiritual. And you see in this group how many men and how many women are there. So in this culture, Vedic culture, Hindu culture, women are treated as Devi, goddesses. And it's because of the goddesses, she needs to be worshipped. She is a goddess, she needs to be worshipped. Yatra naryastu pujante, tatra ramanti devata. Wherever the women are worshipped, there gods dwells like children. If women are not respected, if women are not worshipped, then there becomes hell. The culture, wherever in the world women are treated badly, that culture becomes a hell. Why women are treated like very weak? Why women are treated like dependent? Because of their loving attitude. People are taking benefit of their love. Yes, they actually hypnotizing women. And women are trying to compete with the man. Oh, I want to be like a man. Like they think that they are not strong, and they will be, if they will be like a man, they will become strong. The strength of the women is strength of the love and care they carry. The women had much power than the men. And why we are talking about the women empowerment? Why there is women empowerment? When women are so powerful, women are so powerful, but they think that they are not powerful. Why? Why? I saw a video. Why who is the biggest animal of the jungle? Elephant. The biggest one is the elephant. And very poisonous one is who? The cobra. And the long animal is giraffe. But why they are not become the king of the jungle? Why elephant or giraffe or cobra, they are not the king of the jungle? Become very big, very poisonous, Why they are not king? Because they never think that they are the king. Problem is there. Problem is the men think that they are the king. They are the boss. They are the powerful. Because the men think this. And why lion is the king? Tiger is the king of the jungle. Where the size is not big. Like this. Why he is a more? Because always tiger thinks that I am the king. Women empowerment program is just a funny practice for me. Women empowerment program is just a hypnotizing women that you are weak. You have to be powerful. Oh, women, you have to be powerful. When I say this, it means that you are weak. When you say Vishnu, you are beautiful, it means that Vishnu is not beautiful. You respect me as a beautiful man, then only I know that you are telling me beautiful. If you say 5 times you are beautiful Vishnu, you are beautiful Vishnu, it means you are weakening my things. Women needs to be understand and realize how powerful they are. Women needs to be realized how powerful they are, how beautiful they are. And each and every woman can become a spiritual person. Each and every woman can get enlightened. Many people ask how women practice brahmacharya. This is a brahmacharini mata. Today is a brahmacharini mata. Brahmacharya celibate. The mother is celibate today. Celibate means being with the Brahman. Brahmacharini, being with the Brahman, brahmacharini. The celibacy word is misused in the West. They do not know what is the meaning of celibacy. You are eating food. Can you control it? Can you not eat? You are sleeping. Can you not sleep? In this way, take that your relationship as that kind of things. As you do not overeat is a problem. As you do not oversleep, it is a problem. Or less sleep is a problem. Or no eating is also a problem. In this way, you have to use your relationship in the same ideas. It's not a big topic to discuss. Big topic to discuss is how much you are aligned with the Brahman. How much you are one with the Supreme Being. That is the main idea to focus. And men and women both can become enlightened. Now women are getting more enlightened than the men. But one thing, women has difficulties. Because of the power of love, they have too much attachment. Because of the caring nature, they have so much attachment. And the man has a careless nature. Man has the careless nature. That's why they become a ganja wala baba. Ganja wala baba means one who always smoke and back. Spirituality is gone. Man is careless and he shows like he is a Swami or he is a monk, but he is not. And women is very careful, so much caring that it is difficult to become careless. We have to find a balance. Balance. Women cannot leave their family because she brought it. How can she leave? And I don't tell you to leave the family. जब आप बच्चे को पैदा करते हैं, जन्म देते हैं, तो कैसे बच्चे को छोड़ सकते हो? When you born a baby, how can you leave? And the man can leave easily for family sometimes because he has never got the pregnancy or delivery pain, labor pain. Man has not experienced. And man cannot tolerate also the pain, the labor pain. You can ask just now here with her baby, how much caring, how much is Vishnu. The small Vishnu is there. The child with just his name is Vishnu. इसीलिए माता कुमाता न भवति. The mother cannot be a bad mother. A child can be a bad child. A mother cannot be a bad mother. Mother cares you always and ever. So, my dear friends, dear sadhakas, you all are eligible to be enlightened. Understand yourself. Practice seriously. That is the teachings of this Mata. Eva. थकी गली वाली कहो, दीपक कहो, मैं थकी गली.
नहीं बाबा, कहो सुनो कहो.
वाह मैं सॉरी गला. आज हाँ. It's my uncle. He is my uncle. Oivanni Panigrahi is my uncle, and he is going to continue. He is going to tell something. Eva, because of you only I am here sitting and teaching. Without you, how can I become able to teach? This is you. This is you who taught me, who loved me, who cared me, and you allow me to sit here and teach.
You are the man. You are the man who make God from the wood, from the stone. वो तो गुरु का काम है ना. वो भगवान को निकालना गुरु का काम है. वो पत्थर से ही भगवान को निकाल सकता है, लकड़ी से निकाल सकता है. वही आप हो.
अरे वाह. He says, Guru can create God from the statue, from the stone, from the rock. Like a carpenter make a nice statue from the wood. It's a Guru's job to chisel the stone, chisel the wood, and take away all these unnecessary wood and stones to sculpt a beautiful statue. And he's telling that you are doing this, so you continue, he says. So, anyone want to say, Amma?
Hari Om Vishnu.
Hari Om.
Thank you for bringing us here today and for all these beautiful blessings through the Mother, Divine Mother. We all have Divine Mother within us. And as long as we can feel that and be that, I think we'll be okay. Love. Always
Thank
through
you.
the love. So thank you for
Thank
your
you.
love that you keep spreading around all of us. That's
Thank
all
you,
I can
Amma.
say. Thank you.
Thank you. That is another Devi with Puja Devi. See, these are the small children. Wow. Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishnu.
गजेंद्र भाई बहुत भल
Great.
लगला देखी
All your inspiration actually. And this is the one thing I learned just by practicing and just by controlling just all this food and everything. You can control your mind. So since a long time, I think last 2 or 3 years, same thing I'm practicing. Just by taking this type of food and everything, and I can feel change, different change in my physical and in my mental also. So I'm so thankful to organizing this type of practice, and it will be my pleasure if anytime I come Rishikesh. It will be my pleasure. Hari Om Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you. Anita. So after this, we are going to practice something. Anita, bless us.
Namaste. I think one thing I would like to say is, firstly, to give my blessings to you and the ashram during Navratri, and secondly, I think one thing that the goddesses teach and one thing that Navratri teaches us is to actually live life fully and live in the right way to reach that level of enlightenment or spirituality. And and it means something different to each and every individual. But what does happen is, although it might mean something different, what we do here when we come together is we align our energies, we align each other, and I think that's the beauty of Navratri and worshipping the goddesses and doing the puja and fasting and all that, the rest of the bit. It's just being grateful and being thankful that we're here and that we're able to be here as gods and goddesses. It's not just, you can't have one without the other, and it's that balance of duality that comes through each day. And so for that, I would like to thank you and everybody that's here today.
Thank you so much. Anybody want to say something before we continue the arti? Okay. So prepare your lights, incense. तुमको निसी दिन ध्यावत हरि ब्रह्मा शिवरी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी। जय श्याम गौरी तुमको निसी दिन ध्यावत तुमको निसी दिन ध्यावत हरि ब्रह्मा त्रिवरी ओम जय अम्बे गौरी दूर विराजत को जल से दौनेना जल से दौनेना चंद्र बदननी को जय अम्बे गौरी मानवर रतांबर राजे पुष्प गलमाला रक्त पुष्प गलमाला धनगर साजे ओम जय अम्बे गौरी वाहन राजत मृग कपरधारी कपरधारी धर मुनि जन गवत रमर मुनि जन सेवत इनके नरहरी जय अम्बे गौरी गृह मोती गृह मोती दिवाकर कोटिक जन्म दिवाकर चित ज्योति जय अम्बे गौरी शुंभ विदारे सासुर हाथी धूम्रविलोचन नैना धूम्रविलोचन नैना दिन मदमाती जय अम्बे गौरी तुम्हारे कमीज हरे तव दऊ मारे दुखे तव दऊ मारे तुलमी न करे जय अम्बे गौरी रुद्राणी तुम कमला रानी रानी आगम निगम बखानी तुम निगम बखानी तुम शिव पटरानी जय अम्बे गौरी योगिनावत इत करत वैरो वैरो वाजत डमरू जय अम्बे गौरी जग की माता तुम ही हो भरता जमा तन के दुख हरता के दुख हरता सुख संपत्ति करता जय अम्बे गौरी अति शोभित वर मुद्राधारी मनवांचित फल पावत, मनवांचित फल पावत. Take these blessings. Nari Rambe Gauri Puravati. Sending you so much healing power to your home. May your home become very pure home, clean home, happy home. Sending you all love and blessings to you, for your children, for your families, for your pets, for your car, for your job, for all the problems. Sending this whole blessings from the Mother Divine. Nave, receive this. Ananda Swami, Divananda Swami, Dampati Pave, Jayambe Gauri, Ambe Gauri, Jai Shama Gauri. निसिदिन ध्यावत को निसिदिन ध्यावत हरि ब्रह्मा शिवरी जय अम्बे गौरी ओम कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. Om. Dear friends, thank you. Thank you for being with me. Yes, Susan, Mataji, Amma is with her beautiful daughter. These are the Devis. I have no words for you all. That you come to the practice and make my heart so fulfilled. Let us continue this beautiful energy for the whole Navaratri. On the 10th, Lord Rama will burn. The special day on the 10th, the last day of the Navaratri. May this Mother Divine always keep you blessed, loving, care. And thank you, my dears. My special thanks to Martina for from the very beginning of our online course. She has been with me all the time, and Puja Devi, they never missed. Sanna never missed, and also this every one of you never miss my online sadhana, and I am very much thankful for all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Justina. Thank you, Anita, Nicole, Gajendra Bhai, Yada. Thank you, Deep Bhai, Sailaja. Thank you, my brother, Yog Vidya. Thank you, Amma and your daughter.
Thank you,
Helen.
Vishnu.
Thank you, Olga. And thank you, Kaka, for being here in this beautiful evening to bless me, to bless us, and all the children who participated. For everyone, lots of blessings. Thank you, and see you tomorrow at 7 here in this time. Please join. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Vishnu.
Thank you, Amma.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om.
Thank you. Great pleasure. Bye.
Ini mata Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. You can dance a little bit. Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Namo Namo. Parvati, Pratham Parvati, Namo Namo. Harini Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Namo Namo. Pratham Parvati, Namo Namo. Harini Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Namo Namo. Namo Namo. Namo Namo. Namo. Namo Namo. Namo Namo. Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Namo Namo. Parvati, Pratham Parvati, Namo Namo. Harini Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Namo Namo. Parvati, Pratham Parvati, Namo Namo. Mata Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Adi Shakti, Namo Namo. Shakti, Sarva Shakti, Namo Namo. Parvati, Pratham Parvati, Namo Namo.